Dear students, in this video we will discuss about your next type of sentences on the basis of structure. Sentence made of clauses. Now it may be one clause which is independent clause. It may consist of one or more clause which may be collection of independent and dependent clause. On these criteria, sentences is divided into four types: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, complex compound sentence. Now look into first type of sentence, simple sentence. Simple sentence consists of only one independent clause containing subject and the verb, and it show complete meaning and no independent clause. For example, I bought a new home. In this sentence, only one independent clause with show complete meaning. He goes to gym every day. Looks into next type of sentence is compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of at least two independent clauses. This joined by coordinating conjunction. Here is no dependent clause. In compound sentence, the coordinating conjunction used to join dependent clauses are for and nor, but, yet, and so on. Example, I helped him and he got happy. Here, and is a coordinating conjunction joining two independent clauses. Other example is he is sick yet he is working. Here, yet is used to join two independent clauses. Look, next type of sentence is complex sentences. Complex sentences is consist of one independent and at least one dependent clauses is joined by subordinating conjunction like although, since, when, unless, etc. Or it is joined by relative pronouns like that, who, which. Example, she is wearing a skirt which looks awesome. Here, which is used for joining one independent clause and one dependent clause. Point to note about complex sentence is it complex sentence begins with an independent clause. Comma is not used between clauses. If a complex sentence begins with dependent clause, comma is used after dependent clause in a complex sentence. Looks, next type of sentence is compound complex sentences. Compound complex sentences consist of at least two independent clause, one or more dependent clause. He wants to college and I went to a market where I bought a book. Here this sentence is consist of two independent clause and one dependent clause.